Hello everyone. As you all know, because of the lockdown situation, everyone is tied up inside their houses. The sportsters especially must be feeling very frustrated sitting at home and not being able to do anything. So I thought I would bring you a video which shows some of the cricketing tips and basics which you can practice at home. So the first thing about batting is how to hold a bat. So I would like to keep it very simple, and it is also very simple. Just keep the bat like this on the ground and stand like this. Simply, as you pick up anything from the ground, just pick up the bat like this and stand. This is how you hold the bat. As simple as that. Let me show you again. Keeping the bat down and standing like this. Just pick it up and stand. The thing you have to note here is, after picking up the bat, your left hand, that is this hand, should be tightly gripped on the bat, and your right hand, that is the bottom hand, should be loosely gripped. That is the thing you have to be careful about. So now the next step in batting is stance. How to take a stance? Stance is when you are standing in your crease ready to face the bowler. That is known as stance. How to take the stance? Keeping your left hand tight and your right hand loose. Make both your feet apart. The distance between both the feet should be the distance between your shoulders. And then keep the bat behind your right foot like this, and your left hand should rest on your left knee here. Left hand tight, right hand loose, knees slightly bent, and you are ready to face the ball. From the front angle, I'll show you. After picking up the bat, have the left hand tight, right hand loose, feet as wide as your shoulders. Put the bat behind your right foot. Rest your left hand on your left knee. Knees slightly bent. Don't bend the knees too much. Just slightly bent. And your head should be absolutely still. Eyes on one level. Don't tilt your head like this. Absolutely straight. Back upright. Knees slightly bent. That's it. So the main thing in stance is your balance. If you're not balanced properly, you won't be able to play the ball. And your head also should be absolutely still. Watch again from the side. Stance. And after taking the stance, just keep on tapping the bat like this. Left hand will always remain tight and right hand will always be loosely gripped. Don't hold it like this. Should be with the two fingers only. Pick it up like this. Down. Pick it up and look at the bowler coming towards you. Now the next step is backlift. Backlift is when you are picking the bat up in trying to face the ball. So when the bowler has almost is about to deliver the ball, that is the time when you pick up your bat like this, is known as the backlift. So I'll show you. After the stance, your left hand is already tight. Now initiating the power from the left hand, you pick up the bat like this. Right hand is there just for the support. You don't have to pull it from the right hand. Just pick it up from the left hand. Right hand is there for the support, and like this. Make a 90-degree angle of the elbow and also 90-degree angle of the bat with the wrist. Both the 90-degree angles should be there, and the back elbow like this. And keep the bat holding up high like a periscope and hold your position. This is the back lift. Show you again. Left hand tight, right hand loose. Now picking the bat up from the left hand, 90-degree angle of the elbow and the wrist. Hold the bat like this. Now from the front angle you can see like this. You have to pick it up. Alright, now the next step is how you play the shot. You have to move your front foot towards the ball, depending whether the ball is pitching up or is pitching short of length. The ball is pitching up, you need to learn that first. So you have to move your front foot. We'll start again. Keep the bat down. Pick it up. Left hand tight, right hand loose. Come into the stance with your feet as wide as your shoulders. Keep the bat here. Keep on tapping. Then first step is back lift. And then the next step is move your feet like this forward. And then you bring your bat. Alright. Again I am going to show you. Back lift. Front foot in line where the ball is pitching. Your shoulders, your head and your toe should be in one straight line. And when you're playing the shot, your head should be on top of your toe. It can't be behind your toe. It has to be on top of the toe, with the back foot toe also on the ground, not the heel. Only the toe should be on the ground. You can't have the heel on the ground. Only the toe, like this. You play the shot. So now from the front angle you see stance, bat tapping, back lift, front foot towards the ball, shoulder and head in one line, and then the bat comes. Alright, so these are the 3 steps in batting. Number 1 is stance and bat tapping. Number 2, back lift. Number 3, take your front foot forward. Number 4, bring your bat down. So you have to practice this with the help of an elderly person. Don't practice this alone because you won't be able to do it alone. And master each step. Do it stepwise. First master one step, then go on to the next step. Don't do it all the steps in one go. It will take about a month for you to learn this. So keep this in mind. Alright? Thank you.